Dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rezaullah. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. Today, I will discuss about the how can we change the logic program of a control module in a Honeywell DCS system. I will show you step by step how can we modify the control module program to display and field instrument value. Step by step, I show you. So let's start. You see, it is the one of the graphics space of a Honeywell DCS system. In this graphics page, I will observe that one of the field instruments are showing 40 display value more than the field value. Field is showing that suppose it's showing the field value 0, but in this is showing the minus 34, 39 or 40 value. So we want to correct this one. For this one, we want to change the logic program in Honeywell DCS system. So I will show how can I change this logic program. You see, we go to the chart mode and see the logic that here the input value that is coming from the field instrument is nearly 0. But in the after the DSA value it is showing the 40%. So we want to input the password or go to manager mode. With the manager mode, we cannot display what's the logic program are available in this behind this one. So we go to the DSA value, and you see here is the range is 0 to 1100. Its unit is the meter per hour. It is one of the flow transmitter. That's the flow transmitter logic program. Here we see in the field side, or that means in the transmitter side is showing 0 value, but in this side it is showing the 40 meter per hour showing this more value. So we want to correct this one. For this one, you see, we want to observe that where we have to be changed this one. So we put the manager password and go to the DSA block. You see here after this auxiliary cal value it is showing the 40. That means before this input value of this auxiliary cal value auxiliary block before this is nearly 0, but in output is showing the 40. So we see in the exam you see the calculation module is have the logic, you see that the calculated value is minus 40. That means always the field instrument value will be so less than 40. For this one, the field instrument value and the DCS value are not equal. So if we make it 0, then the field instrument value is same as the DCS value. DCS value will be same as the field instrument value, transmitter value. So we want to correct this one. So I will show how can we correct this one. First we see the observe the what where we have to do or what. So then I correct this one. So you have seen that if we change this one, we go to 0, then the problem will be solved. So first one, we have to connect or go to the logic module and have to find out this tag number. Then we can correct this one. Our main function is that the 40 have to become to 0. So we go to the configuration module. Place on configuration module. You see configuration studio. Connect the logic program or connect to the controller. So press the configuration studio, then connect the server page. Select server and press the connect, because we have to connect with the server. Then we can find the logic. Then go to the control strategy. Then go to the configuration. Configure process parameters. You see, then the control module program are available is here with now in the two modes, project mode and monitor mode. We have to go to the project mode because we want to modify the control module program. So we go to the project mode and press our desired tag number. Then many tag number is here, so we have to put the or write the tag number. Then we can find the desired tag. So we put the desired tag number. You see 11 A5 5. You see, we find, select and press the right key. You see in the right arrow key, click, then the logic program will be open. You see, our program is open in project mode. Then we go to the auxiliary cal block. Click is here. Then we go to the exam 1. Here the E40 we become it is 0. We make it 0. just press 0, then press the OK button. That means the we have make this 40 value become 0, then the field student value and the DCS value will be same. So you see, we see that save button or cross it and save. You see, here you want to save, yes, we press save. Then the left side you see, before it was download to controller, but now it is showing that upload sign. You see, here it is showing the euro sign. That means this sign is indicate that this logic program not compatible with the controller. So we have to be in the upload mode. We have to be download this one now. Without our change cannot be active if we not press the download. So first we select this desired tag. You see, we want to download this one. So first select this one and then press the load button or download button. You see upside you can see that the load button. You see, press on here, then it is showing a warning. Press on continue. You can there share warning that you want to change or not, like this one. You can press the continue button. Then here press the check marks. Both are have to be check marks and press the OK button. You see, then press OK. Then our program will be downloaded to the controller. Yeah, we have changed the program, and this changing program are downloaded to the controller. After completing download, we can see that our problem is solved or not. I think it will be solved because our field value are showing more 4 meter cube per hour in DCS system. So now we see the no sign is available here, but now it is a download mode, is download completed. So the uploaded sign, that means euro sign, has gone. Now we go to the monitor mode or display mode or the graphics. Now we observe that our value is become 0. You see, now it is showing 0. Before it was showing the minus 39 meter cube per hour. That means it was the more 40% more the field value. So dear friend, I will try to teach you how can we change the control module program. So I think hope you can understand this one. So no more today. AssaIamu Alaikum. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.